Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone supports always on and is fully updated. This matters because the feature depends on hardware and software. Open Settings, go to Display and Brightness, and tap Always On. Once done, toggle it on. The screen uses an ultra-low refresh and dim mode to save battery. Make sure low power mode is off because it overrides Always On. If you prefer less distraction, plan to adjust lock screen widgets and notifications now so the display shows only what you want. Once Always On is enabled, customize what appears to preserve battery and reduce clutter. Go to Lock Screen Settings to pick widgets, complications, and which notifications are displayed. Fewer active elements mean less power draw. Then adjust display brightness and turn off Raise to Wake if you want the display less reactive. Finally, use focus modes to mute notifications and hide sensitive content when needed. This prevents the always-on screen from flashing unwanted alerts while keeping essential info visible. To finish, lock your phone and watch the dimmed lock screen for a few minutes to confirm always-on works correctly and shows chosen items. If you notice faster battery drain, make sure you updated iOS, remove non-essential widgets, and consider turning off Raise to Wake. Those are common causes. If the feature flickers or won't stay on, restart the iPhone, check for pending updates, then reset display settings as a last step. That usually resolves glitches. If not, contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.